Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shelly Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro Invitational 2015 in Bel Air, California. I have with me Dr. Raymond Akers, Akers Bio. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is AKER. Raymond, welcome to SNNLive.
Well, thank you, Shelly. Great to be here with you.
It's good to have you. What I'd like to start off with is a short overview on the company, and we'll go from there.
Great. Well, what we do is design, develop, and market rapid point-of-care diagnostic tests in the U.S. and all around the world that are designed to diagnose different medical conditions and diseases quickly and efficiently.
Name a few.
Well, that's easy. We have 12 tests either on the market or in the pipeline. 5 are currently selling. And our signature product is a test for an allergy to a commonly used drug in a hospital called heparin. It's an anticoagulant that's used in just about every surgery, and it's also used to prevent and to dissolve blood clots.
So what we're hearing in this interview is you're at point of care. You have these diagnostic test kits, and how often are they used? How rapidly are they in the market? What hospitals are using it? Is it reimbursed? I want to know all those questions.
Well, fine. I'd be happy to tell you all about that. So by the end of this year, our signature test will be in about 300 U.S. hospitals. It's used primarily in stat labs, but it can also be used right in the operating room or in the intensive care unit. Several other of our products are used in clinics, things like sexually transmitted disease clinics or clinics where you would go and get your cholesterol done.
So you're actually saving lives with your diagnostic tests.
We are. In fact, I've actually, it's one of the most gratifying things about this business, to tell you the truth. I've got calls from about a dozen cardiac surgeons. I put the 800 number for the company on every product that we have. And a typical call goes something like this. Hello, I'm Dr. Joe Blow, and I have this patient that was 10 minutes away from coding. He was on the OR with his chest cracked open, and he was throwing blood clots. I didn't know what to do, but the hematologist ran up with your test for heparin allergy. We found out that's what he had. We gave him the antidote and saved his life. It's a great thing.
That made your day.
It does every day.
So did you develop all these products?
Yes, I did.
You did?
Yep.
Wow. What's your background?
Well, I've got a bachelor's degree in biology and a Ph.D. in neurochemistry.
And you went into the lab yourself. You tested every one of these kits, and you built a company around it, right?
Well, I had I have a great team back at the shop, and they're really the people that developed the test. I mean, I direct them, tell them what to do these days. But we have a great R&D staff and manufacturing quality staff putting all this together.
Raymond, what makes you drive? Where did the inspiration come to do this company?
Well, I started this with my father. In fact, I've only ever worked with one other guy in my life, and that was my dad, ever since I was a little kid. I tell people, ask me all the time, well, how did you start? And I say cleaning toilets, because that's exactly how I started. I've done every single job in my company, and the people that work there know it, so they can't get away with anything. But so he's part of my inspiration, but it's also a desire to make people's lives better.
Did you ever have an experience where did the vision ever come to you that, oh my word, I can develop diagnostic kits?
It happens at 3 in the morning when it usually happens, much to the chagrin of my wife.
Okay, so let's talk about the future. Half year gone in 2015, 2016 looms. What's in store for Akers?
Well, this year we're going to roll out 3 new tests in addition to the 5 tests that we have out in the market. So that's going to generate considerable more revenues. We're also opening up new territories all around the world. We're currently marketing in 22 countries around the world. We also have a joint venture in China, which is going to come online in Q3. All these contribute to really a rapidly expanding revenue for the company.
So you're at the point everything's reimbursed. You're in the healthcare system. You have a code, et cetera, right?
Right.
Would you please give us your website for our audience?
Very, very easily. It's www.akersbio.com. Ticker symbol on NASDAQ is AKER, and on the London Stock Exchange, it's AKR.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Raymond Akers, Akers Bio, AKER in the U.S. It's a publicly traded company. I'm Shelly Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the LD Micro Invitational 2015 in Bel Air, California. Dr. Akers, thanks for coming on.
Thanks, Shelly. My pleasure.